How to enable Mica on Windows 11. So for that purpose, head over to your browser, which is Google browser, and then into the search bar, you're going to type in Chrome /flags. And once you're here, you're going to start searching up for flags and write down Mica, which is Windows 11 Mica title bar. Then what you're going to do is from the drag and drop button right here, instead of default, what you're going to do is you're going to click on enabled. And from enabled right here, you're gonna have another bar that says your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Chrome. So you're gonna simply click on relaunch, and that way it's gonna relaunch Chrome. And basically what Mica settings does is that it basically has this opaque effect where it matches the background. Like as you can see, it's starting to match up the background right here. Like if I were to go up here, it's going to start matching the background. As you can see this right here. So yeah, this is how you can enable Mica effect on Windows 11.